11.7 odds. I can find odds.
Okay, we'll just go with it. Yes, I can find odds. Thank you, Mustafa. Odds are a ratio. Yes or no?
Yes.
Ratio compares two different numbers. Everyone say two different numbers.
Two different numbers.
They are comparing. The two different numbers they're comparing would be the number of times something favorable happens over top of the number of times something unfavorable happens. So if you flip a coin and you're looking for a head, what is the favorable outcome? Well, what's the favorable outcome? It's a head, right?
Yeah.
How many chances do you have to get a head?
1 and 1.
And what's the unfavorable outcome? It's a tail, right? And so how many chances do you have to get a tail? 1. So you have a 1 out of 1 for odds, right? But if I said what's the probability of flipping a head, you would say it would be 1 out of 2 because this represents all of the outcomes. Excellent. Formulas then, we kind of already talked about them. Odds in favor means the same as odds. So remember that. If someone says, what are the odds in favor? It's the same as if someone asked you, what are the odds? Odds are A to B. A would be what? B would be what?
Unfavorable.
What if you added A and B together? What would you get? Which helps you with probability if you want to convert to probability. And then odds against is simply a flip of odds, right? It would be unfavorable B over favorable A. And then we did some practice. 100 tickets sold in a raffle, 3 tickets are winners. What are the odds in favor of winning? What?
3 over 97.
And you can write it in 3 different ways, right?
Yeah.
And then the probability, we just talked about this, the probability would be the top number plus the bottom number, right?
Yeah.
So it would be 3 over 100. I just lost my use of the smartboard. Okay? Sliding on down to C, the odds against winning are simply a flip-flop, right? Okay, the odds against winning are a flip-flop. You take the unfavorable, which is 97, and you put that over top of the, what's this number? Unfavorable over what?
Favorable.
And then the last thing, we asked you what are the odds of selecting an X. You guys said 2 out of 6, but can odds be reduced?
Yeah.
So really the answer is
1/3.